Any last words?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is adjourned.
Mic drop. What do you want from this trial? Order. Let's keep the gallery quiet, please.
What's your excuse?
Personality.
Mr. Featherstone, are you aware you're on record?
I live on record.
Oh, come on!
Order in the court, please.
I live on record.
Even parrots have rights, but not punchlines.
Any advice for this court, Mr. Carson?
Bring snacks.
Oh my goodness!
Well, there you have it.
Why are you so confident?
Experience.
Did that?
Well, that's a first.
Do you realize how serious this is?
Very. Still funny.
Are you done speaking?
Almost.
Take your time.
Do you have legal counsel?
I represent myself.
Order. Let's try to continue.
All right, why is everyone holding up their phones?
I'm a courtroom, not a concert.
Because I'm trending.
Are you prepared to testify?
I was born prepared.
And as I was saying, Your Honor, the timeline clearly establishes...
Counselor, why did you interrupt the witness a moment ago?
He paused.
Order from multiple people in the courtroom.
Order. Let's proceed.
State your occupation.
Full-time problem. Order.
Order, please.
What? That's honest work.
Mr. Featherstone, do you respect this court?
I admire the furniture.
Why are you smirking?
Confident, Your Honor.
Do you understand you're under oath?
I only lie to myself.
Order, please. What's your defense?
Charm.
Oh, that's good. Did you hear that?
Why won't you sit still?
Momentum.
Oh, that's good.
Are you nervous?
Never in public.
Any witnesses?
The internet.
Order in the court, please.
Do you regret anything?
Not today.
Are you here to cooperate?
Within reason.
Damaged! Is this a joke to you?
Only on weekdays.
Are you mocking the process?
Mocking? I call it commentary.
Order, please. Let's keep it together.
Any prior convictions?
Just fashion crimes.
Do you know why you're here?
For the attention. Ha.
Why should I dismiss this case?
Ratings. Huh? What did it just say?
Ratings.
Ratings?
Is there anything else?
Do you fear consequences?
Only boredom.
What do you want from this trial?
Closure.
Order. Let's proceed.
Is this your final statement?
For now.
Do you have remorse?
Scheduled for later.
Why should I believe you?
You shouldn't.
Order. Let's move on.
What's your plea?
Snack related.
Did it just say?
Oh my God. You're kidding.
Why are you smiling? Good lighting.
Whoa.
Do you understand court etiquette?
I freestyle.
All right, noted.
Now we'll start Sunday morning and we're expecting anywhere between 1 and 50 inches and bundle up because it's going to be colder than my cheating boyfriend's heart. Oh no, oh my gosh, I can't. He's solid up there.
I'm straight. Just keep it still for me. Gotcha. Watch how Uncle do it.
No way! He's still going!
Why are the spectators filming?
Because history. Huh.
Why should I not hold you in contempt?
Because I'm adorable.
Are you aware this is serious business?
I respect the drama.
Is this your first time in court?
First as a legend.
Order, please.
Witness, you interrupted the proceedings. Why?
Dramatic pause.
Do you understand the charges? Emotionally, yes.
Noted for the record.
Mr. Witness, are you trying to influence the jury?
They already like me.
Order.
Why are you standing so confidently exactly?
This is my good side.
Do you take this court seriously?
I dressed up, didn't I?
Any advice for this court, Mr. Carson?
Bring snacks.
Oh my goodness!
Well, there you have it.